Hi my friends, my name is Akimba and today I will teach you how to do the 5 walking flare pulls for the beginners. Yeah, everybody know, to make really great and difficult flare routine you must practice a lot in your practice room, and yeah, it's like day by day you spend hours and after you're getting some skills. But today I will teach you how to do some really easy walking flare routine with the pulls. So it's like a short routines from the easiest to advanced. But before I start, I would like to ask you to subscribe my YouTube channel. You will help me a lot. Also join my Instagram. There I post also a lot of videos because I'm start with the Instagram earlier than with my YouTube channel. But thank you so much, guys. So let's start. So the first pull really easy, and this looks like this. So you see, I even didn't throw any objects. What I'm doing, I'm just holding the bottle by the neck, and I'm holding, look, all of my fingers around the neck, thumb in this side, and the other fingers stay here. But my little finger going down here, and I'm just trying to hold the barrel of the bottle by my little finger. Yeah, and also the spoon looks to the left side, so I'm using the right hand, so this goes to the left side. And the shaker I'm also holding by my left hand by reverse grip in this side, in this part of the shaker, and the little finger is out, just the 3 fingers here, and thumb also the same position as with the bottle. So, and look what I'm doing here, I'm just from this way, I'm turning my hand and starting the pull from this position. Yeah, and then look, tin with the hand goes this way, and I'm just turning the hand, that's it, and continue the pull. After the pull we just cut the liquid, and that's it. And after you just can do this simple move. It's really easy move. You just turning the shaker without any throws, just turn, that's it, and you already can pull. So the next one, guys, the next one a bit of harder, but just a bit. So looks like this. And pull. Taking the bottle by the middle, yeah, and the tin in the straight grip by our old palm, and then we just do like a snatch, like this, yes. And this hand absolutely free, and we just going by our flow from this way, we throwing all together, and the catching the tin with the to the straight grip as well as we did before. We just holding in the beginning here in the straight grip, and we're catching in the same grip, and the bottle we just catching to the reverse grip at the same time. Look, yeah. So the third pull. And pull again. And pull again. This one is the basic and really beautiful. So what are we doing here? Holding the same position, our bottle. So look, my little finger goes around the bottle, and usually you can do as you want, but I'm doing like this. So look, my little finger going here, the ring finger going here, and I'm controlling the bottle better. So in the shaker straight grip, we're just holding by our left hand in this part of the shaker, and we're just doing simple pull, small pull. Then we just throwing with one spin, and the catching in the same hand under our right hand. So look, but we're catching to the reverse grip, from straight to the reverse. At the same time, when we throw, we just going to our pull with the right hand. Look, I'm just throwing and I'm already starting to turn my hand and going to make a pull. So 1, 2, yeah, and again 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah. After this, again, we're just doing simple move, and we can just change the tins with the bottle if you want. So this one looks like this. Yeah. Yeah. By the neck, reverse grip, tin as well to reverse grip. We just going with the bottle around our head and changing to the straight grip. At the same time, we throw on with one spin, the tin behind. And the look, this hand already preparing. I'm preparing here my thumb, because with the thumb I must grab the tin. Altogether going here, catching the grip, and then just throwing with one spin and catch by our thumb. Look, like this, easy. So then going to the pull, you can make the pull not just to the elbow, you can do in the palm stall, for example. I'm doing here, then going here. So it's as you wish. And the last pull, I will teach you this one. Look. Going just with the simple spins like this, from right to right, but we're changing the grip same time. To ourselves, then look, between my middle and index finger, the tin I'm just holding by my thumb and index finger. And between my index and middle finger, I'm putting the bottleneck and do the roll and the helping just with the left hand. And after, throwing and catching by reverse grip by my right hand with no spins. So look, one, just like this, and going. So, and after, guys, I'm just doing simple move here under my right hand. So I'm just turning the tin and do the one thumb roll and starting to make the pull. And all together it looks smoothly. So one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there was just a simple basic broken flare pulls for the beginners, guys. And yeah, thank you for watching my channel. If you make some comments under this video what you want to see next, I will do it for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.